We're here on the banks of the Blakeley River with Kirk Barrett, who's going to tell us a little bit about why the Battle of Spanish Fort took place where it did.
The reason there was a battle here is because of this river. The city of Mobile was protected so heavily that General Canby estimated it would be a 4 to 6 month siege to capture the city by direct assault.
From the western approaches.
From the western approaches. If the Navy could get access up the Blakeley River, they could cut off Mobile from the inland of Alabama and force its evacuation. So the Confederates, in order to stop that, built 2 fortifications. Battery Tracy is way off in the distance to the north, and to its left is Battery Hugie. After the Fort Morgan fell to Admiral Farragut, the Confederates decided to build a 3rd fortification along the banks of this river, and they selected the site of an old Spanish fort that was used during the American Revolution as a water battery. The problem with that site is there was a hill just inland that commanded the fort, and so that they were forced to fortify that hill, which is now Fort McDermott. The Confederates decided to go ahead and extend the line from Fort McDermott 2.5 miles inland with additional 4 redoubts to protect old Spanish Fort from a land assault. But the primary reason there was a battle here was to stop the Union Navy from getting access to this river. Further upriver, why Blakeley had to be fortified is because there's a height, a bluff, which commanded the river there, and if the Union Army fortified that site, it would cut off the supply line to Spanish Fort. So the Confederates had to fortify Blakeley in addition. So that's why there were two battles here on the eastern shore.
Right up there on the hill, that's the highest position of Spanish Fort. That would be the site of Fort McDermott at the time, 1865.